Dear parents, let us know the mobile app installation process by following simple steps. Step 1. Click the link provided by school management. It will open the school login page. Move to top right corner and tap on 3 vertical dots. Here, tap on Add to Home Screen from the displayed list. Tap on Add button. Now, tap on Home button and swipe to right. The mobile app installed successfully. Now, let's us explore the options. Tap it to open and enter your child login ID and password. Note, for login and password details please contact at our office between 10 a.m. to 3 n. After entering, tap on Login button. This is the main menu. Here we can find student profile, digital diary, text messages, picture messages, videos, fee details, attendance details and marks or grade details. To change the password, follow the process. If you tap on Home button, it shows Quick Access menu. Thank you for watching.